What's the meaning of Chief Warrant Officer? Chief Warrant Officer. Chief Warrant Officer.
Chief Warrant Officer. Chief Warrant Officer. A Chief Warrant Officer is a senior-level military rank in many countries, including the United States and Canada. It is above the rank of Warrant Officer and below that of Commissioned Officer. Unlike regular commissioned officers, Chief Warrant Officers are technical specialists rather than generalists, with expertise in a specific field such as aviation or intelligence. They often serve as advisors to high-ranking officials and may have command responsibilities. The rank was established to recognize the importance of technical expertise in the military and provide a career path for those with specialized skills.